Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I will start with the morning show. So Goal.com, they give us updates on this Thomas Partey issue. So the way they put their own headline, they said the party is over. Thomas Partey expected to leave. Yes. So now when you read the entirety of that report, when you look at the headline, it said the party is over. Thomas Partey expected to leave Arsenal this summer on a free transfer as three European giants monitor Thomas Partey. Yes, three European giants. They monitor the guys, so they would like to sign am. You get, so they watch how things they go. Now the bigger picture, Arsenal are already making plans. You get, to replace the 31-year-old and are interested in signing Real Sociedad star Martin Zubimendi. You get, they have also been linked to the young star Sverny Pan at Rosenborg, but there's also interest from Manchester City for Sverny Pan. You get, now the question is, did you know that Thomas Partey has made 154 appearances for Arsenal in total since his arrival in 2020 with his contract expiring? And when you look at all these things that happen, majority of Arsenal fans, they know they're happy. Say Arsenal, they entertain the thoughts of selling Thomas Partey or maybe letting him go as a free agent, because I don't know if he's selling a free agent will be at the end of the season. When you look at Twitter this morning, Thomas Partey was trending. You get, so now part of the trend with Thomas Partey, the trend, fans they make their voices heard. Say they don't like what Arsenal want to do to Thomas Partey, regardless of whatever it is. He don't give us one of the best season when he don't give us since we join us. How many matches don't play? She will never experience any lengthy injury. This is to say, may they still retain him. And in fact, people when they bring out Berta, this Andrea Berta, where Arsenal won't collect for Atletico Madrid. They say, did you know that in 2019, Atletico Madrid had Thomas Partey and Rodri? Berta sold Rodri to Manchester City and kept Partey because if you say Partey na senior man, so Partey get mouse past Rodri, you get. So that's how Partey like the reason, like how Partey left to come and join Arsenal. Berta said no one even sell Partey. So the only way where they feel leave Partey and say Arsenal paid. Do you know how Arsenal paid Partey's buyout? I think that was on the final day of that window. Arsenal paid Partey's buyout plus. You get, now so Arsenal they get Partey, yeah, because him no one really sell him. Now the guy go to reunite with Thomas Partey if he joins us, but from the look of things, Partey is expected to leave. So it just the news they make the rounds all over social media, but it is what it is. Now, if you are not aware, today Arsenal will play Champions League. And nobody Arsenal they play Champions League. You can see Club Brugge versus Villa, Dortmund, Lille, PSV Arsenal, and Real Madrid versus Atletico Madrid. So PSV Arsenal, that one be our own business. So we're going to travel to Eredivisie. We are there already. So tonight the game will be held. So we'll see what's in Arsenal fit do, because we forget our own troubles. I think I don't do in press conference yesterday. He spoke about the game. Again, the game will be somewhat difficult because this PSV we know them, and we actually they look at it and say we will prepare very very strongly for this match, because don't look at PSV as PSV say they're small in quotes. See they don't get man. Look at the fact that they are like giant killers. They were the ones that chased out Juventus. So now the way Arteta they look and say, now they do some pursue Juventus, so a club rich in history, football history. They pursue them. You know, if you can't take them lightly, so you have to take them very, very serious. Yes. Now, away from that, even Julian Timber, when they talk about our season, where we are now, so this Champions League match we see now, if we beat PSV, it will change the narrative of our season. Maybe people will talk, say, okay, maybe they won't win the Champions League, or maybe we won't enter semi-final. Like, we need to first pass this test, this PSV test, because after this test, Manchester United game, before you know now, if prefers don't reach, we'll look at how many players will come back. But Julian Timber says Arsenal can change the narrative of that season if they beat PSV Eindhoven in the Champions League last 16 time. The Gunners have suffered injuries with several of their key attackers, with Kai Havertz and Gabriel Jesus ruled out of the season, while Bukayo Saka and Gabriel Martinelli have hamstring injuries to keep them on the sidelines. So now the Daily Mirror can say Lyon boss Paulo Fonseca, they risk 7 months ban after Baba para. I don't know what's really happened for the match, because Baba won not referee. You know, say like this guy a player in the former life, you get in the early time of the career they play, but so maybe to say that now football matching day, but when near the represent what's this up? In near represent come on card, represent say what you want to do. This image, the image speaks volumes. Like it's just even funny. I just dey laugh ever since I see am. So well, anyhow the thing goes, I wish you all the best of luck. Now, Mikel Arteta insists Arsenal can still reach a different level despite injury crisis. Because you know, say where we did and a Champions League level we did. And so they say Mikel Arteta insists Arsenal still have gears to take their game to a different level despite their injury crisis in attack. Arsenal have been hit hard by injuries at the top, the end of the pitch, and are without four forwards for Tuesday Champions League clash at PSV. And yes, we know all this. So now God hand we did. We can see the different approach where Arteta will take for this match of one play against PSV now. Now, we're going to get an exclusive report. Say Arsenal can make firm decisions on Martinelli's future and Nico Williams' chase. You get so Arsenal make, not can make. Arsenal make. So when you read the entirety of the report put out by Football Transfers, it says Arsenal don't really get any plan to sell Gabriel Martinelli this summer. Despite their readiness, they won't pay Nico Williams release clause. So it will make sense. Say they get the two, Nico Williams, so Martinelli will say that they plan to get those two. Well, we'll just watch. If the money did, now what I expect anyway. But later, we're hear say they want to sell transfer, they want to Martinelli to raise money, which is not ideal for a big club like Arsenal. Like we have to sell before we buy. Really? Now what's me? I don't want yet. Now, Sport Bible kind of let us know say Arsenal fans, they're surprised, they're stunned after they see story about Andrea Berta. A story where we can turn down one player, Kamara, where Atletico Madrid be one signed some years back, you get. So when you read the entirety of the report after they talk about the story, the Times now put out the story. They said the Gunners want to make an announcement on their new sporting director this month, and Berta is said to be the front of the queue. You say ever since Fabrizio Romano announced say we need advanced level for the deal to bring in Berta, so many people are going to bring out stories about the guy. So they say in 2022. Atletico Madrid were linked with midfielder Boubacar Kamara, where they play for Marcel at that time. So when Andrea Berta come go the guy house to go follow the guy discuss, saying we like to sign up. Almost said the guy come outside wear boxer. Said the guy wear shorts, and the guy they will tell of his friend. Like the guy, you know, even wear slippers, no wear the kind of ordinary leg. So when Berta see the guy said, no, this guy no get, no, this guy no get the level. You get, no fit play for us. You get. So that was the reason, you know. When they pursue the guy, said the guy they're very, very strict, you know, no nonsense man, you get. Well, people gonna laugh for social media saying that kind of person they really need for us to make come and make us set every this kind of person. If Kronkers don't give her money at Jay, go come outside a press conference, say, where's the money? Give me the money. So let's go there. Well, they bring the guy. They say, I think I don't fit talk. So make them bring him. Now, away from that, so people like Peter Cech come outside and they defend Arsenal's decision to sell world-class player Emiliano Martinez, who has won the Yashin Trophy, best keeper in so many competitions. Like the guy, they do well for himself. So many people see they blame Arsenal today. Say why then sell the guy? Can't keep Leno. So Baba can talk say as they sell him, not good. Say he help him go for place where they say he go free express himself the more. So if they say Arsenal sell him, who knows? Maybe if he never grow the way they grow as him being. I say you could always see his ability, but he had too much energy at Arsenal. Premier League legend Peter Cech was saying it wasn't until he found a way to channel it into one direction that he really developed and went to the next level. You get so now waiting Peter Cech they talk. So I know say himself another senior man goalkeeper. So Ivan Perisic, we come yesterday they talk say Arsenal no know how to win, Arsenal no get winning mentality. All this thing say him now don't come outside the talk say in your team wey be PSV say they no be team. Because say they know they unified, they don't get unity. Get without the ball, they don't fight for themselves, they don't run to mark ball, all those kind of things. Get so then tell you get their own issues. Maybe now what made them the last 6 games they play, them win only one. They don't they lose, they draw. Maybe say Ajax don't overtake them, they give them 5-point gap. Imagine. Yeah, so then get there. That's what I tell you. Say this match is going to be a match between two strugglers. Because I say we are not a team, we are not doing well. We should be more of a team, which we are not now. We are not fighting for each other, and that makes me angry. We need to change that quickly. We need to give everything until the end of the season because it's far from over. Why are we not a team? We talked about that. We create enough chances and score enough, but without the ball, we need to do better. We need to fight and run for each other. So I would say beyond opinion. Now, Arteta, when we talk about this match we won't play, on mapping our paths to the final, he said the reality is that me personally as a coach, I just look at what's ahead, and what's ahead is a team that eliminated a team like Juventus with a history. I know the difficulty. We played against them a lot in recent years, and we know the difficulty of the match. Now, and they're going to ask them whether today game, will help to change the narrative around the club. So it's a game that obviously brings a different energy. It's a competition that puts everyone on their toes. We've done a lot already. This season, here and now, it's the moment to start to make another strong steps in the right direction that we want to. I'm very excited for the game. So that we're saying Baba the talk. So now also they say Arsenal will need astronomical fee to offload £200,000 a week star. You get. So when you check, Ben Jacobs currently say Arsenal officially no one sell Martinelli, but if they get a ridiculous fee, they will sell him. So although for him it is looking unlikely that Arsenal will sell Martinelli, because Ben Jacobs say Arsenal are still happy with Martinelli. You get. Departure looks immensely unlikely for the Brazilian. So now doing this, in fact, it was quoted to have said, with Gabriel Martinelli, Arsenal are still engaged in very early and exploratory talks over his future. It is framed around extending his deal, potentially, of course. It can be a way of protecting value so it doesn't entirely preclude an exit. My understanding is Arsenal are still happy with Martinelli, and as a consequence, an exit is less likely at this stage, barring an astronomical offer that's too good to turn down. Yes. So the Coco be say Arsenal no get plan to sell him, but there's always a but. If somebody brings a ridiculous fee like 100 million now, Arsenal will collect money and no go doubt. Yes. Now let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, Bobby Water Associates and Co Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, shop protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them up +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekenyiwo Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, but Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. So the biggest news of the day, let me first say Goal.com can you give a conclusive statement that the party is over. Thomas Partey expected to leave Arsenal this summer on a free as 3 European giants they monitor the situation. So why would you collect a 1-year deal at Arsenal instead of collecting like a 3-year deal or 2-year deal elsewhere? Because these exits, if Thomas Partey no come out now, it will still come out in the future. If they give him 1 year, just like they give Jojo 1 year, and season they come on now. So I think it will be best for Thomas Partey to leave when the ovation is loudest. Now you say he play this season unscathed, no injury, make it come out now. Then next season, God forbid, you can go get some injuries, there will now be doubts. People are going to say, maybe age, don't Shalaski, don't want, some kind of things. Well, we'll just watch that. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So it's like come your way in the evening to give the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day and get mounts. All right, guys. Bye bye.